Hello students and parents. It is week 5 of remote online learning, April 20th through April 24th. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what we're doing this week in ELA. That's reading, writing, and word study. I've already logged into lcsd.org. I clicked on class link and I used my username and password to log in. Once you do that, all the apps that are available under ClassLink will appear. We're going to go to Canvas, just like normal. Click there. ClassLink will magically log us in. And you will see our dashboard. The dashboard under Canvas is where all the courses that your student is part of are located. Let's go ahead and go to Reading Grade 5. And under Reading Grade 5, before I continue, right now I'm in Teacher View. I'm going to go ahead and click on Student View so we can see it from the point of view your student will see. Reading Grade 5, and then Modules. And here we have Remote Learning Week 5, April 20th through 24th. The lessons for this week. My suggestion, always start with the weekly learning plan. You can view the weekly learning plan for April 20th through April 24th by clicking here. Let's go ahead and do that. And there's our learning plan. Just like last week, if you move horizontally across the page, you see the different days of the week. If you move vertically, the different subjects. Something to take note of for this week, for ELA, we have 2 highlighted parts. One is for reading. This week, you will have to turn in a summary graphic organizer of the article Golf Ball Divers. That will be due by Sunday, April 26th. And then the second assignment you'll have due this week is for writing, and you will be finishing up with publishing your informational paper that is also due Sunday, April 26th. We have activities we are doing for word study, but as you can see, nothing is highlighted. That means you have nothing due this week for word study. Let's go ahead and go back. The format has pretty much remained the same. You can see the different days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Under each of the days, we have our subjects: reading, writing, and word study. The only thing we've really added that's different this week is the giant stop. You are done with today's lessons. Just an extra precautionary measure there, trying to make things as simplistic as possible for you guys. But yeah, so this week in reading, we'll be looking at how to write a summary for informational text. For writing, you will be continuing the informational paper you have been writing. Like I said, that'll be published this week. And word study's the same as every week. You have 8 new vocabulary words. There will be a PowerPoint that walks you through those, gives you synonyms, antonyms, definitions, and examples. You'll get to watch my dramatized version. Lots of fun. And that's it. If you have any questions, like always, reach out to myself or any of your other teachers. We'll try to get you on the right path. We hope all of you are doing well. We understand, some of you have difficult situations where you have multiple kids and only one device, and parents working, and I know I can relate. It's a struggle. So don't be too hard on yourself. Give yourself lots of grace, and we will try to do the same. Y'all have a good week, and we'll see you next time.